Hey guys, Richard here. E-bike reviews, and what an adventure. Yeah, I'm alive. Oh my goodness, tell you about that in a moment. Come on, Toby. Let's get you over here, buddy. Yeah, so I've been sick. Like in a bad way. Over here, buddy. Come here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Let's get you rigged up here. Oh my goodness, saying hello. All right then. Yeah, what is it? Today is Saturday. Hold on, dude. Stop. Let me get this on. This is Saturday. Last Saturday when Devin and I got finished with the Boca Grande ride, that evening I got sick. So getting really sick. And it was been a miserable week. I'll tell you what. Haven't been able to do anything. Mostly just on my back. And oh goodness. Come here, dude. Stay here. Nope. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Interesting. We'll share that story for another day. Alright, anyway, where was I? Sick. Yeah. In a bad way. Worst timing too, because this past week we knew it was going to be a really busy week because we had 4 bikes due in, and then I got sick and couldn't do anything. Amanda did a couple things, but then she had other things she had going on, and so she wasn't helping out much. And on Tuesday I did release a video of Amanda taking a bike, the trike, down to our assembly facility, I called it, and we were headed down to Ron's house because he was going to put together the trike for us. I was feeling kind of good that day, thinking that, oh, okay, I'm starting to recover. No, that was a false start. Tell you what, a couple hours later, it hit me hard again, and I was done. So, yeah, you can hear my voice now. My voice is still pretty jacked up, but I don't know, I'm feeling a little more energetic today. So anyway, so Ron has the trike and he's got it assembled, but he's got a problem with it. He's not sure what to do, so I got to run down there and check it out because he can't bring it to me. So I'm going to do that here shortly. Yesterday, Amanda unboxed this guy right here, and this is an interesting little bike. Now don't be thrown off because of the seat position. I just raised it to see how high it would go, and that seat position does go super high. Very interesting. This is Baycycle. That's how I pronounce it anyway, Baycycle. There's a lot of interesting things going on with this bike, and a couple of things we got to figure out. Yeah, so I got to contact the company and ask a couple questions before we go any further on it. Just different. Kind of neat. I like it. Just some things that are different. Anyway, we recorded the video. Doggone it, I was so sick yesterday. I didn't feel like uploading it. Amanda edited it. She did a good job with editing and stuff. She doesn't quite have access to do all the uploading and that part of it, so I had to do that, and I just wasn't feeling it. So we still have to upload that video, but you'll see that video soon. You'll see that video before this video, probably. Oh my goodness. So that one's done. We got this Shahamo. It's a budget bike. Looks kind of promising for its price. So we decided to accept that. And Muckpet. Muckpet is a newer brand. And they sent us this one here. This one was called the Breeze, or it's supposed to be the Breeze. Yeah, Breeze, there it is. And it's got like a 30 amp hour battery, smaller kind of step through design. So I'm excited about that. As tall as what that box is, I wonder if that thing's fully assembled. It might be. That box is a little taller than some of them. Yeah, maybe. You got a cargo basket to go on that. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, and then Ron has one that's 4. Excuse me. We have another one coming in Wednesday of next week. And I tell you what, being sick this week really got us behind, because I owe a review video coming out soon for the Truxus. The CUI, which I really like. You've already seen it many times, but I haven't done the official review video of that one, I don't believe, yet. I've got another one over there, but I have to hold off on that one until May 7th or 9th. I got to check, but got to hold off on that one. There's the TST Dreamer. Not doing any more with that one. I'm going to do another video just to tell you all the problems with it. Can't do a review video because it doesn't run, and the company doesn't respond to my messages. It's one of those cash grab kind of companies. They just sell you something, hoping you go away. That's all they're good for. So I suspect they won't be around long, and what they'll do is they'll change the name of the company and move on to something else. In fact, they don't put the company name on the bike, I don't believe. So it's my guess they change company names often. They're just one of those crooks, cash grabs. They got problems with their bike, but they won't fix them. And the Mooncool MC350, I still owe a full review video on that one. I got that one right before I was doing a comparison video of all the Mooncool trikes, or the other Mooncool trikes. And Mooncool requested that video, so I got that video out first. But then I never went back and did an actual full review of that one, so I kind of need to do that one. This Highboy is done. Amanda did a super good job on that video, recording it and editing it. So that one's done. So yeah, just a lot of videos that are due. Hey, look what happened yesterday. On top of being crazy sick, we finally got the curbing put in that we wanted to get put in. The guy was supposed to be here yesterday morning. He said, I'll be there. I'm going to be late. They were around 2 or 3. Finally got here at 4:30. Wasn't his fault. Half his crew showed up, didn't show up for work, but they were sick too. So he was behind all day. So he ended up staying until 9:30 last night. I was out here with a flashlight with the guy, trying to shine a light so he could get this job done. But it looks good, doesn't it? It's darker than what it's supposed to be. So I'm hoping it's going to lighten up a little bit as it dries. If not, well, that stinks. Because it's supposed to be a little bit lighter. Not as light as his over there, if you can see it, but just a lighter brown, not so dark. But we can make it work. So anyway, part of my ongoing project that we have going on around here. Same thing for this side over here. I don't think I showed you the videos of Man and I ripping out the bushes that were here, but we used the truck to do that.
Good. Oh. You're good. Hey.
Got those bushes ripped out. Now I got to go through and take out the grass, because that originally wasn't part of the plan right there. But I decided, hey, this would be a better look just going straight across, so that widens my bed here a little bit so I can do a little bit more with it. So, yeah, some of the projects Richard has going on around here. All right, let's see. Well, that was a quick update what's going on in here in the garage. We've got, I need to go down and see Ron, so I'm going to end this video here. Amanda's here already, so she's going to come out and get started here soon, assembling these other two bikes. And we'll see what other kind of mess we get into today, depending on how much strength I have. But yeah. Oh, hey, so, and one more thing. You guys have, I've been getting a gazillion questions about a lot of different stuff. Just have not been able to get to any of those hardly this week. Just, yeah, please understand. I'm trying to go back now and answer some of those questions that you guys have. If I miss anybody, feel free to post it again. I'll try to get to you. Yeah, do the best I can. That's going to be it for this video, though. Oh, I'm dying. See? Hear me? Oh, my goodness. That'll be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Take care.